We're going to be demonstrating transfer techniques using gait belt with partial weight bearing client. The first step is identify client with ID band using two identifiers. Assess physiological capacity to transfer, activity tolerance, ability for balance, cognitive status, and risk for falling. Uses an algorithm to guide decisions about safe patient handling. Gathers appropriate equipment, gait belt, and bedside chair. Performs hand hygiene. Verifies brakes are locked. Explains procedure to client. Ensures client has on non-skid slippers or socks. And states expected outcome. Client is transferred safely to chair or bed. This patient will be weak on the right side. Assist client to sitting position on side of bed. Allow client to sit with feet on the floor for 2 to 3 minutes. Applies gait belt snugly as center of client's gravity. Places chair on client's strong, unaffected side, as close to the client as possible. Ensures client has on non-skid slippers or socks. Assist client to edge of bed, feet on floor, and strong leg forward. Moves pivot foot back 6 to 12 inches, foot closest to chair. Flexes own hips and knees to align with client's knees. Places arms around client and grasps gait belt firmly from underneath along client's sides. On count of 3, instruct client to stand while straightening hips and legs, keeping knees slightly flexed. Make sure your body weight is moving in the same direction. Maintain stability of client's paralyzed leg with own knee. Instructs client to anticipate using strong side to reach for armrest on chair support. Pivots and lowers client in the chair, flexing own hips and knees. Assesses client for proper alignment in sitting position and supports paralyzed extremities. Now we are going to be demonstrating positioning a client from the chair to the bed. Steps 1 through 8 are assumed, and this patient is also weak on the right side. We position the chair to ensure client will be placed in the center of the bed, lines up client's knees with midpoint of mattress. Assist client to edge of chair. Applies gait belt snugly at center of client's gravity. Supports both of client's knees between or against own knees. Moves own pivot foot back 6 to 12 inches, foot closest to the bed. Places arms around client and grasps gait belt firmly from underneath along client's sides. On count of 3, while straightening hips and legs, keeping knees slightly flexed. Pivots on back foot and guides client to sitting position of bed. Lowers client to side lying position. Then assists to supine or comfortable position. Removes slippers or socks, raises side rails, positions call light. And performs hand hygiene.